What up? What up? Yeah. Here we have another Type-R, FL5 Civic Type-R here at the shop, and presenting you guys our new tech, our Neil. What up, dude? Are you like doing some construction here or something?
Fixing up the plates, make sure these plates line up correctly.
Oh yeah, yeah. So what happened on this one?
So this little backing plate.
Oh yeah,
Here.
the backing plate, right?
Yeah, it was unaligned on the pin that's supposed to hold in the braking line. So just gotta take it out, put it back in. It's all good.
I know, right? Yeah, it's kind of weird because that's the first time I've seen someone like pretty much just I think you just missed install it or something like that. You know what I mean?
Trying to get the job done quick.
Yeah.
Something.
Because the backing plate was actually pretty much like almost hitting this part of the rotors.
Yeah. Cause noise, small scratches.
Yeah.
Like that.
But yeah, so what did we do today on this car, dude?
Threw some lowering springs on the front here for the customer.
All right. Yep. So so this is actually one of the first cars that we did that we just did the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the customer obviously is like trying to save some money. So we installed this is I think it's a new brand too. I think AFD. Actually, Airflow Dynamics make lowering springs I didn't know about. For the Civics, normally we'll install like iBox lowering springs. We'll install iBox, RSRs, Swift lowering springs. But it's the first time installing the AFD. And then also, what else that we found on this car, dude?
The rear sway bar link.
Yes, rear sway bar link.
Yeah, the bolt was there. It just wasn't through the bushing part, so it was just sitting there, and the bushing was on top of it.
Yeah, later we'll show the guys. Actually, we go underneath the car. Because there's another thing. I mean, we got customers that work on their own cars. I mean, some guys they know what they're doing, but customer thought that because it was making a noise, right? Actually, when I pulled the car in earlier, it was like making a loud clunking noise from the back, and then he thought that could be the springs. But after checking the springs, I mean, they look pretty cool. These are like kind of progressive / linear style. Like the springs are compressed in the middle here, and then they're like kind of farther away on each end. That's like I think it's like a different design compared to Swift, RSRs, or even iBox, because those brands, they don't have this type of like coil spring kind of bound almost close together. But this car did have some noises, and then I checked underneath. Sway bar and link was good on this side, but on this side though, right? this sway bar link wasn't even on it. He got the bolt on.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. He got
nut through.
Yeah,
but it's not holding anything down.
Yeah, that's why it was making a sound. So that should fix the problem. So after we're done with the front, actually we're already done with the front springs. You just need to install the under. The lower control arm bolts, and then the under panel here. As all like Honda Civics, they have these big big ass this cover with a million a million yeah, I know. Yeah, it's the thing, dude. It's actually like one of the panels that have so many push screws, right? All right, so I'm gonna let Arnil continue on this car, and then we come back. We're gonna lower the car down, and then we'll do a test drive. But yeah, so he already got the axle nut torqued down. We'll just let's clean this up really good, and then we'll wipe the suspension too, and then finish this car up, and then we'll do a test drive. do I look good on Type-R, dude?
You look sick, man. Go fly off.
I'm gonna do a ricer flyby when I record that.
Okay.